Gene therapy for Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy, a breakthrough or a challenge? Hey everyone, today we're diving into a fascinating but also quite controversial topic. Gene therapy for Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy or DMD. You may have heard that Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy is a genetic disease that causes progressive muscle weakness and degeneration. But here's the good news. Science is advancing fast and gene therapy is emerging as a potential game changer. But what exactly is gene therapy? And how does it work? Gene therapy is a revolutionary technique that aims to fix faulty genes in patients who are missing a crucial protein due to genetic mutations. In DMD, that missing protein is dystrophin, which is essential for maintaining muscle strength and structure. So, what does gene therapy do? The idea is to introduce a modified version of the dystrophin gene into muscle cells using a special virus called AAV vector, adeno-associated virus. This allows muscle cells to start producing dystrophin again, which could slow down or even stop muscle degeneration. And now, let's talk about Elevidys. In 2023, the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, approved the first ever gene therapy for Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy called Elevidys, SRP 9001, developed by Sarepta Therapeutics. These treatments delivers a micro-dystrophin gene into the muscle through a single intravenous injection. But is this the miracle cure we've all been waiting for? Why is gene therapy so exciting? It's a more direct approach than previous treatment because it targets the root cause of the disease rather than just managing the symptom. Unlike traditional drug, it could provide long-lasting benefits with just one dose. Some patients in clinical trials showed increased dystrophin levels in their muscles, which is incredibly promising. So, are we finally close to a cure? Well, it's not that simple. Here's where things get complicated. If gene therapy is so promising, why isn't it widely available yet? There are several key challenges that still need to be addressed before it can be considered a standard treatment. 1. Severe side effects. Some patients have experienced serious immune responses after receiving gene therapy. In some cases, the body attacks the viral vector, leading to dangerous complications like myocarditis, inflammation of the heart muscle. 2. Not every patient can receive it. Gene therapy is not suitable for all DMD patients. For example, it hasn't been tested on children under 4 years old. And studies showed that older patients may not respond as well. 3. The cost is extremely high. Here's a major issue. Gene therapy is incredibly expensive. Some approved gene therapies cost over $3 million per patient. 4. Some trials have been halted. In 2024, Pfizer announced that its gene therapy drug, pradistrogen, failed its phase 3 clinical trial and was discontinued due to ineffectiveness. There was also a case in 2023 where a 27-year-old patient who received CRISPR-based gene therapy died from acute respiratory distress syndrome, raising safety concern. Should we lose hope in gene therapy? Absolutely not. Science is always evolving, and every new treatment undergoes extensive research and refining before becoming widely available. So, what's next? Researchers are working on next generation viral vectors that could be safer and more effective. CRISPR gene editing could potentially replace viral vectors and make gene therapy more precious. Companies are collaborating to share data and improve safety protocol, making gene therapy safer for future patients. Ultimately, gene therapy is still developing, but it holds immense promise as a potential long-term treatment for Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy. What do you think? Could gene therapy revolutionize DMD treatment? Let us know your thought in the comments. Thank you.